Tonight, during our meditation, we are honoring the ending, but welcoming the transition. Let's begin by arriving into this moment, into our breath, into the quiet. You can keep your eyes closed or take a gentle, soft gaze. But take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your body soften. Let yourself land. Whatever this day brought you, you are here now, and this space is for you. Bring your attention gently to your body. Notice where your body touches the ground, the steadiness beneath you. Feel your weight being held and supported. Slowly scan your body from the top of your head down to your feet, taking notice of any sensations along the way, any tension, any areas asking for attention. You don't need to fix anything. Just breathe into whatever you find. Allow each exhale to invite just a little more ease. Let yourself fully settle into this space. Bring your awareness to your breath, the gentle rhythm of your inhale and the exhale. Notice how each breath begins, rises, and then lets go. There's a natural intelligence to this breath, to the wonderful body we call ours. A rhythm of beginning and ending, of holding and releasing. Allow yourself, let yourself rest in this rhythm. Inhale, exhale, present. gently, compassionately bring your awareness to the phase in your life that is ending. This chapter that you've been a part of, this class, something at work, something in your personal life, this journey, this season, this shared experience. Let yourself acknowledge it. You may notice emotions, images, or memories. Let them rise and pass like waves. There's no need to grasp or resist. Just witness them. This ending may carry joy or sadness or pride or uncertainty. Whatever is true for you, allow it and breathe into it. Perhaps you say quietly to yourself, "Thank you, this phase that shaped me. It's time to let it go." Let your breath carry you through this honoring. Inhale and exhale. Letting go does not mean forgetting. It means trusting what comes next. Bring to mind the phase you're stepping into. It may not be clear. That's okay. Transitions are spaces of becoming, of possibility. Take a breath and feel into this threshold. You are not who you were, and you are not yet who you are becoming. Let the space of in-between be sacred, unformed, yet full of potential. Let this space of in-between be sacred, and with each breath, gently welcome the new. Saying to yourself, I am open. I am ready for what is next. I trust this unfolding. Stay here for a few more breaths, resting in this space between endings and beginnings, held, whole, and becoming. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the ground beneath you, the breath within you. Let your fingers move gently, your shoulders soften. Whenever you feel ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and stretch your arms overhead. Hug your knees in. Give yourself a hug. Rolling to your right or left side. Adopting the seed position. You've honored what was. You're stepping into what will be. This moment is the bridge. Carry it with you. When you feel ready, find your easy seat with your hands over the space of your heart.